Now let's understand what are the sources of income as per the Income Tax Act. Means what are the categories of income that income tax had described the sources that are called sources of Income Tax Act. So in the Income Tax Act, income tax define the 5 sources of income. That means Income Tax Act says that there are major 5 categories of income as the person are normally get income from, right? So let's discuss the what are the 5 sources of income. First source of income is salary. First source of income is salary. What is salary? You normally know what is salary means, where there is some employee and there is some employer. When there is employee and employer relationship, then only we can say that we are getting salary. The Income Tax Act says income from salary is one of the source of income, but we have to be proven that income from salaries only can be determined when there is a relation of employer employee relationship. If you are working somewhere but you are not in a relationship of employer and employee, then your income will not be categorized under income from salary, right? I think first source is clear to you. First source of income is income from salary. Income from salary. Now what is second source of income? Second source of income is income from house property. Income from house property. House property normally means income from property letting it out. By letting it out means simply rental income. Some of the properties are rented by some individual and normally we collect rent from them, and we normally know that property can be let out for the residential purpose and for the commercial purpose, right? We normally get the rental income by some residential let out property and commercial let out property. So income from house property is categorized under this head is basically rental income that we derive from the property which is let out, right? So here one more term is to be discussed is self house property. Self occupied property is not liable to tax. Means property in which you are residing or your family is residing is to be called as self occupied property, where there is no rental income. Normally these are not under your taxable head. That is not will be computed in your income tax under house property clause, right? So we have discussed two sources of income. First is salary and second was house property. Now third one is income from capital gains. Income from capital gains. Capital means your assets. Capital means your assets, and any asset you have sold and you derive the income that will be assessed under this category, right? For example, you may sold your land, you may sold your asset, you may sold up. What is capital asset, what is sale, we will discuss in detail when we study the capital gain chapter. So third source of income is capital gain. Means any person who sold his asset and derive profit will be taxed under income from capital gain. This was the third head. Now come to the fourth. Fourth one is income from business and profession. Income from business and profession. This is two term. Please careful. Be careful. This is two term, business and profession. Business is one and profession is another. Business means simply you are having some trading concern, manufacturing concern, right? So it means trading of something goods and services. But profession, it means something you have degree or diploma, you have some expertise knowledge and you are rendering that professional knowledge to someone and getting fees or remuneration, right? So if you are having some income from your business or profession, then you will be categorized under the income under the head PGBP. This is also called PGBP. What is PGBP? PGBP simply means profit and gains from business and profession. This is PGBP. This was your fourth head of income. And the last, income from other sources, means income which is not covered in above four heads will be covered income from other sources. For example, interest income, for example, commission income, lottery income, other dividend income. These are normally categorized under income from other sources. But for example, if we take the example of interest income, the interest income will be categorized as income from other sources only when earning in interest is not your primary business. For example, banking concern normally do what? They lend the money and deposit the money. It means they normally deal with the interest income. So for them, interest income is not a other source, right? I think this is clear to you. Interest income will be income from other sources only when interest is not your primary business. not your primary concern of income, right? Same in case of a commission, same in case of a lottery, right? If it your secondary income, that will be income from others. It is your primary income, that will be covered in your particular business or profession head, right? So this is our 5 sources of income. This is our 5 sources of income. I think this is very clear to you. Income from salary, income from house or property, income from capital gain, business profession, and the last is other source.